In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USDT in Vantage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your Tether into your account safely using the client portal and the V-Wallet system with zero confusion. First, sign in to your Vantage client portal. You can do this on the web or in the official app. Make sure you're in the client portal, not in MT4 or MT5, because trading platforms don't handle deposits directly. A quick tip here: double check you're on the official Vantage site or app to avoid phishing pages. Once you're in, go to the Funds section and choose Deposit. From the available options, select Crypto or V-Wallet. All crypto deposits flow into your V-Wallet, which acts as a secure bridge between the blockchain and your trading funds. This setup keeps things organized and helps prevent sending assets to the wrong place. Now select USDT, short for Tether. You'll be asked to choose a network. The supported networks are TRC20 on Tron, ERC20 on Ethereum, and BEP20 on BNB Smart Chain. TRC20 is the most popular for a reason. It usually has the lowest fees and fast confirmations. ERC20 is widely supported but can be more expensive during busy times, while BEP20 is a solid alternative on BNB Smart Chain. Whatever you pick here must match the network you use when you send the funds, so decide based on your external wallet support and fees. Vantage will generate a deposit address for the network you selected. This address is unique to your account. You can copy it or scan the QR code. Before you proceed, confirm the network shown matches your choice and consider verifying the first and last few characters of the address after you paste it to avoid any clipboard mistakes. Only send USDT to this address. Other coins or tokens may be lost. Open your external crypto wallet or exchange, choose Withdraw or Send, and paste the Vantage deposit address. Select the exact same network you chose earlier. This detail is critical. Using a different network can result in irreversible loss. Enter the amount you want to send, review any network fees, and confirm the transaction. If your platform offers a memo or tag field for these networks, you generally won't need it for USDT on TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. After sending, wait for blockchain confirmations. Deposits typically arrive within about 90 minutes. Though TRC20 can be quicker and busy networks may take longer. You can monitor the status in your wallet or on the client portal. Once confirmed, the funds will appear in your V-Wallet ready for use within your Vantage account. That's it. Safe, simple, and done.